What's up? This is Color Purple, the truth. I'm here to speak the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. This reading may be for you or for someone else. Also, remember that timing is fluid. This also be past, present, or future. Also, remember that the divine always wins, and if the shoe fit, wear it. And if you can't fit that motherfucker, then don't put it on. This is for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, I already pulled cards for you. Okay, so the first card I pulled for you is an angel message. It says, visualize abundance in all forms. God gave you such great spiritual power that everything you visualize eventually becomes reality. Hold a steady vision of that which is beautiful, helpful, positive, and filled with blessings, and that is what you will experience, okay? This may be for you, or this may be for someone else. The way you talk to people is so disrespectful. Denying that your problems exist doesn't make them go away. You think that putting others down will make you feel better about yourself. Sex will not keep them there. They're already gone emotionally. I have a star card in reverse here, so someone has no hope or faith in the situation here. This can have something to do with Aquarius, or you can have Aquarius in your chart. Then there you go. You're fine as hell. The Queen of Wands energy, okay? Somebody cannot keep their eyes off of you. Also been hearing this for days. I don't know where this comes from. I don't remember, but dun 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 dun. I done heard it a million times. I just cannot think of where it comes from. Then I have Judgment. That's in reverse. Then I have Five of Wands. I'm also getting someone's conflicted here. I have the Five of Swords. Okay, I'm also getting that someone is regretting being with someone else. Okay, they had a chance to be with you, but now you don't have any hope or faith in this. For some of you guys, you really thought you were going to have a family with this person as well. Okay, let's see what else is going on here for Sagittarius. Someone could be watching All About the Benjamins. 45. Dun 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 dun. I'm picturing Mike Ike. So someone that could be Mike, someone that could be Ike. I'm picturing Mike Epps when he was in the store and he had them old ladies steal for him. Okay. What's going on? I heard Fruit Loops, Juicy Fruit. I have the Seven of Cups here in reverse. You could have let someone go because they had too many options, okay? I have alignment, personal values, reality, clarity, lack of purpose, fantasy, illusions, too many choices, confusion, delusions, lack of person. All right, what's the Seven of Cups in reverse? I have the Nine of Pentacles in reverse here. Someone has too many options and they live beyond their means. I'm also getting that someone is going to take someone on a date. They don't even have enough. You know what I'm saying? So it might be like a cheap date or something like that. I'm hearing macho, macho man. I gotta be a macho man. Someone's gonna be like, fuck this shit. Someone may say they have to go to the bathroom or something, to the restroom, and don't even come back. Someone's choosing self-love here. Let's see what else. Seven of Cups in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and the Lovers in reverse. The Knight of Swords and the Queen of Cups in reverse here. So there could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that want to come towards you with some type of crazy ass communication here. I'm hearing jealousy and deceit. The Page of Cups. Yeah. I'm getting someone chose a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Queen of Cups in reverse over a Queen of Wands energy. Now all of a sudden this person realized they fucked up. Now they want to come towards you as the Page of Cups. That's confirmation for somebody. What's the Page of Cups? The High Priestess in reverse. Someone also found out that somebody was already in a relationship. So somebody could like call you or something like that and be like, hey, I found your number, or I found some messages. He is in a totally different relationship and it's with me, or whatever. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So somebody's with someone that's cold, not nurturing, jealous, lazy as fuck, cook microwave dinners. Okay? They're lazy. They don't want to work. They want to spend other people's money. So also, if someone took you on a date and it was a cheap ass date, it's because they couldn't touch it. Okay? It belongs to this Queen of Pentacles in reverse. That's who they give it to. So somebody want to apologize. What's the Page of Cups? Yeah, this person already have a family for some of you guys. Ten of Pentacles. What else for Sagittarius? The King of Pentacles upright. So this King of Pentacles committed to someone that they don't even want to be with. Okay? So this person's always talking to other people probably. Okay? I'm hearing big money. I like it. And it's exciting. It's exciting. So this person works hard. And they take all their money and take care of the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. The Four of Wands is in reverse here. The Magician is in reverse. Someone also did some type of manipulation to get with this person here. What's going on for Sagittarius? This person look at you like the Two of Cups. Okay? What's the Two of Cups? I heard quick pick. The Ace of Swords in reverse. This person also gonna be like, oh yeah, baby, I love you. I ain't going nowhere. Da 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 da. Whoop de whoop whoop. It's a lie. What's the Ace of Swords in reverse? And that is a lie. I have the Nine of Swords. Excuse me, the Nine of Wands. So I be looking dead at a card and I may say something else because that's what it is. So someone's like in the Nine of Swords energy. Okay. I have the Nine of Wands. Inner resources, struggle, overwhelmed, on edge, defensive, paranoia, exhaustion, fatigue, lack of motivation. This is how this person feels in this partnership that they're in. A lack of motivation. What's the Nine of Wands in reverse? These hoes ain't loyal. No, they ain't. Someone that could be Chris. I also heard Chris Tucker. Someone could be watching a movie with Chris Tucker in it. I heard money talks. Okay. And bullshit walk. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys are going to do exactly this. Put this motherfucker in the Five of Pentacles. Okay. You're going to tell them to go right on back home to that Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. Queen of Wands. Period. I also heard I'm too fine for this shit. What's the Five of Pentacles? The Ten of Cups. Yeah. You're going to tell this person to go on with their family. Go on with the one you pick. Go on to your Ten of Cups, okay? Yeah, somebody real sorry. What's the Ten of Cups? The Seven of Swords in reverse. I'm telling you, some of you guys are going to end up finding out that someone that you're talking to has a whole fucking family. What's the Seven of Swords in reverse? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. So you're like, I'm not finna collaborate with you. I'm not about to fuck with you. You little stupid ass bitch. I ain't fucking with you. Bad luck. Okay. Somebody's going through karma and then they trying to put you in the middle of the shit. No. They can have their own fucking karma. Bad karma, okay? That's them. Somebody was trying to drag you in some bullshit because they're unhappy. Someone could be living with a bitter ass bitch, okay? Queen of Swords in reverse. Also, some of you guys, you could just go cold on this person. Real talk. Money talks and bullshit walks is what I'm hearing. What else for Sagittarius? You're not going to invest in this, okay? Yeah, someone try to put you in a third-party situation. Situations will arise. Looking ass. The fuck? You don't have to call. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight. What's the Three of Cups? Someone that could be Boogie. See, I'm obviously too young to stay home waiting for love. This is you, the Two of Swords, okay? You're minding your own motherfucking business, okay? Shit. Three of Wands in reverse, okay? Also, someone could be going through some type of delay. Also, there could be like a gathering or something that someone wants to invite you to and you don't want to go, okay? Someone's going to want to invite you out somewhere and you can be like, I'm good, okay? What's the outcome? What's the outcome? The Knight of Pentacles. You know what you're doing? You're minding your business and you're building your empire, okay? That's what you're doing. You're working hard. I have predict. So someone could have predicted something. Okay, someone's going to predict something. I have productivity, routine, responsibility, slow and steady win the race, financial growth, achievement, good investment. That's what you're doing. Yeah, there's something about a prediction. A predicament. What's the Knight of Pentacles? Also, it could be a Capricorn towards a Virgo that's coming towards you. You know, they move slow. Earth signs do. Oh, then I had the Knight of Cups. So someone was actually moving slow towards you at first, but now they're coming towards you very, very fast. I'm also hearing the one that got away. What's the Knight of Cups? You don't want this. Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay? You're good. What's the last card for Sagittarius? The Emperor in reverse, okay? Someone that's very controlling. They may can control whoever they fucking with, but they sure can't control you, Queen of Wands. I just heard, sure can't. Like somebody's just gonna force you to pick up the phone or force you to be with them or something. Force you in a third party situation. What the fuck is that? What's the outcome? This Emperor reverse is restless like a motherfucker. And it's probably because they land next to somebody they don't even want to be with, okay? But that's their problem, not yours. I want everyone to have a wonderful 2023, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.